Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. So in this video, I will discuss whether computer-based IELTS or paper-based IELTS, which is better for you. So first, I will discuss what's the general perception about the difference between both of them, and then I'll give you my feedback, and finally I'll share what you should do or which option you should take. So we'll start with the journal, perception of people about uh, which one is better, whether you should go with computer based IELTS or you should choose paper based IELTS. So majority of the time you will hear people favoring computer based IELTS. We'll start with listening. So the difference between listening in computer based and listening in paper based is you need to write answers directly. In the computer based exam you will write answer directly to the space provided to you at your screen, and you would, at the end of the test, you will have like 2 minutes just to check your answers, while in the paper base you get 10 minutes to transfer your answers to your answer sheet. You basically attempt the exam on the question paper, and then you get 10 minutes to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. So for listening, there is not much difference except for this. This is what you will hear from most of the people. And then comes reading part. Reading is where people would say that it's easier in computer based IELTS because you get the passage on one side and you get the question on the other side. So it's comparatively easy to look to questions and go through the passage, and then solve or answer the questions that are given to you. So for like computer based, it's easier. This is what the general perception is. And in the paper base, sometimes the questions might be on the other side. Sometimes you need the questions would be on the back, where the passage is lengthy, where the passage is for like it's like 2 pages, so you would have to go back to see the question and then come back to see the passage. So people prefer computer based IELTS as far as reading is concerned. The third part is writing, which again, the writing part is where there are two things that basically people say when they say that you need to choose computer based over paper based. The first thing is you don't need to count words. The computer does it for you. The second thing is you don't need, if you had a really bad handwriting, you don't need to worry about it. Computer based, the computer will write it for you. So handwriting and calculation of words is not an issue in computer based, while in paper based you need to make sure that your handwriting is readable. Otherwise the examiner might deduct your band or might not even give you bands if the examiner cannot understand what you've written. So he might not even give you bands on that. And the second thing is you need to manually calculate your words for writing. And the fourth one, speaking is similar, so there is not much difference in the speaking. This is a general perception that you will hear when you will see other videos on YouTube. So this is the general perception. So now I will give you my perception on both of them. So I'll start with listening. I believe paper-based exam is more user-friendly. Why am I saying this? Because if you have seen my listening video, the tips on how I scored 9 in listening, you would see that I have shared some of the tips that I can only use if I'm attempting paper-based exam. Like I was predicting answer beforehand, so I was writing my answer just on the side of the space that I was given. But in the computer based exam, I don't have the option to write it. I can directly write my answer. I cannot make notes like on the paper, question paper. In the paper base, I can make hand notes. So this was one of the reasons, and then the questions that the question that I really found hard to attempt was the map questions. So again, I for the paper based exam, I had this leverage of making directions, like north, northeast, northwest, south, southeast, southwest, like this. So I cannot do that in computer based exam. So for directions, I believe paper based exam was more comfortable in terms of the leverage that I have to basically make notes and everything. So for me, for listening, paper based exam was actually, I felt more comfortable attempting paper based exam. Then I'll discuss reading. So for reading, in the computer based exam, you can highlight the text. If you think something is important, you can highlight the text. But in the paper based exam, uh, I can make I can make notes, or I can highlight in a different, like for answers I would circle, or for for important things I would underline, and then I will make separate notes, so even there was something about reading passage I was more comfortable while attempting paper based, and I was scoring well as well when I was attempting paper based. So for me, paper based exam for reading part was also something that was actually very useful, or very comfortable. I was very comfortable while attempting the paper based exam for reading part, and I was getting more scores when I was attempting online practice exam. I was hardly able to score 34, 35. So I believe for me, paper based exams even for reading work out well. The third part was writing. I believe that writing is where the computer based exam is really something that you could look up to. And I also believe that writing was the only part where I felt that computer based exam is better, because you don't need to worry about, your handwriting, you don't need to worry about calculating your words. And, you know, uh, now that we are not so much used to of writing, so it's more easier to write on computer through our keyboards than writing through our hand. So I believe that was the only part where I feel that a computer based exam was better. Otherwise, I felt that I was scoring well in listening and reading, and speaking is similar. So this is what I thought, and this is my perception for computer based versus paper based exam. Now, finally, what I would suggest you is what I actually did myself. The first time when I attempted computer based exam, and I couldn't score the desired band. So this is what I thought, that I would attempt in the practice exam. I would attempt both. I would do computer based practice exam as well, and I would do paper based as well. So after attempting both practice exam, I realized that I was easily scoring more in paper based than computer based. So I decided to opt for paper based. So for you, I would suggest you the same. Attempt both exams online, like computer based exam through online. IELTS online tests.com is the website that I used for preparing for my computer based exam. And for paper based, I used Cambridge 14 and 15. The test pattern was exactly similar to what I practiced in Cambridge 14 and 15 IELTS book. So I would suggest you to practice both, and then decide for yourself that if you are comfortable with computer based, go for computer based, and if you're scoring well, then go for computer based. But if you are scoring well while attempting paper based, then I would suggest you to go with that. Don't listen to what people say. Attempt or go for your exam based on your comfortability or your adaptability of exam, or on the pattern on which you are able to score more, so you could get the desired band. I think that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, make sure that you give your valuable feedback and suggestion in the comments. Share it with the people that might get benefit out of it, and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon. to get the notification on this channel. So that is it. Thank you so much. Goodbye.